Good morning, Hoover community. I'm Dr. Costa. This is the weekly bulletin for May 27th. It's actually a Tuesday. I hope you had a pleasant day off yesterday in reflection and honoring the men and women who sacrificed everything. That is what Memorial Day is for. So I hope you enjoyed the day with your family and friends. Just a few weeks left of school. A few opportunities left. We can do it. Let's finish strong. We have a wellness team who continues to be here for you every day. Please check out Mrs. Ruesga, Mr. Fahey, Mr. Walter, and Miss Mary. They're there to help you solve academic problems, problems with friends, problems with family, anything else you might be confused about, need to talk to someone about. They are an excellent team. Please see our wellness team. Our goals for this year have been to increase academic achievement in math and literacy by 3 to 5% and improve climate and culture here at Hoover by 5 to 7% based on our pulse survey. And we're focusing on sense of belonging, identity, and agency. One of the strategies and techniques that we've used this year is to increase student cognitive engagement. That relates to student effort, student persistent, student self-regulation, and connection making. So we're up to the SBAC, or kind of halfway through SBAC testing. And I want to talk about motivation and attitude. Let me get my picture back in here for a second. Motivation and attitude. It's really important. Many Hoover students have not finished SBAC testing. It's very important that you read these questions very carefully, that you read the passages that come with the language arts and reading sections, and you do your very best and you keep working through all the problems. This is the last week of testing. 8th graders are doing science this week, and 6th, 7th, and 8th graders are getting caught up on the English language arts and the math component of SBAC. Again, it is super important. Some of us have 2 math classes. Some of us have 2 English classes. 8th graders, you might have 2 English or 2 math classes based on your performance on this test. So it's really important that you focus. Again, read the questions very carefully and complete the SBAC this week. Respect our neighbors, please. No cell phones on campus. Absolutely no bullying. Bullying comes with severe consequences. The play tag game, the slapping, chasing, not safe. Helmets are required for bicycles, electric bicycles, skateboards, scooters. That is the law in Lakewood. Teachers, please help us out with passing period supervision before and after school, before lunch starts. So please help us out with supervision. It really calms down the energy in the hallways. And teachers, you saw the memo last week. If you forgot about the memo last week, please go back to it. SBAC completion is our priority. We need to achieve 98% completion of our SBAC testing. Thank you so much for helping us get caught up. Supervised areas, students, please stay in the green zone at lunch. You should not be in the red zone at lunch. There's no supervision there. If we find you in the red zone, we will call home. We will assign consequences. This is our schedule for this week. We have a faculty meeting Thursday focusing on our revised grading policy for Long Beach Unified School District. There's a concert Wednesday night. Project Optimism students. There's a field trip. Just want to let you know, Project Optimism students, You will not be leaving school early to go on this field trip if you are not finished with your SBAC test. SBAC test first. We need to complete it first, and then you could go on that field trip. Next week's schedule. That's it. We've got some great video clips. Thank you, Mrs. Clough. Please always remember, scholars make dollars and a difference.
The animals in there can't think due to the dark, they'll find a way to find something.
So what are they eating? Anybody else? They're eating. They definitely eat. What are they eating? Who's eating the fruit? The bats. The bats leave the cave, right? At night, they go out, they eat fruit. Where's the fruit coming from? Trees, and the trees are outside getting sunlight, right? So there's still a need for sunlight, but then the bats take their food back.
I learned that deep sea beds.
Share your answers. Can the animals inside of the cave survive without any sunlight? Is that possible?
I want to give a teacher shout out to Miss Weezar.
I want to give a teacher shout out to Miss Dickinson.
I want to give a teacher shout out to Mr. Andrew.
I want to give a teacher shout out to Miss Perez.
I want to give a teacher shout out to Mr. Crabtree. Congratulations, Mr. Cooper, on earning your master's degree.
Hi, Hoover. We just want to say goodbye to Hoover and that it was really fun while being here, and we wish everyone the best.
Have a great summer.
Bye.
What high school are you guys going to?
Lakewood! What high school are you going to?
Poly!
Yay!
Give a shout out to the future web crew.
I would like to give a student shout out to Anissa, Alan, and Cassandra.
I'd like to give a student shout out to Angela, Allison, and Angel.
I would like to give a student shout out to Mia P and Cassidy.
Excuse me, divas. Excuse me. I want to give a student shout out to all of the music students. Thank you. 23. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and.
My name is Callie Karp, and I will be your co-host for this morning. I am a student from Hoover Middle School, and one of my passions is volleyball. This year, my team and I went to championships and won, which hasn't been done in over 30 years. I am honored to co-host with Councilmember Megan Kerr on this lovely morning. Thank you.